Bonjour everybody, hope you're great. So today this video is gonna be for eyebrows. So hello, how are you?
Hi, very good, you?
I'm great. So this video is gonna be how to frame your face with eyebrows. So this video is gonna be look natural. So we're gonna use this product from Lise Wattier, and this one is the Boîte à Sourcils Eyebrow Essential. So they have two shades. One is blonde and the second one is the brune. So we're gonna use it on her, the brune. So first step, I'm gonna use the eyebrow brush. So that's gonna help to shape my eyebrow. So this is what it looks like, the brune palette from Boîte à Sourcils Eyebrow Essential. So me, I like to start it with the light one. So this one's gonna be the light. So how to do your eyebrows? So first of all, you have to shape your eyebrow. So it's gonna be easy to sharp your eyebrow. So you're gonna start it like here, do it a dot here. Look at me like this. This is gonna be your point, and this one is gonna be your ending of eyebrow. So this one's gonna be your eyebrow shape. So now we're gonna do it like we can see the bridge. I'm gonna start it to the bottom, do it a line like this. This one is very look natural. So with the first one here, you just apply it right over like this, and then you do it like fake hair. Then it's gonna look more natural. And at the end, I like to do it the more darker. Like this, and I mix together to have a beautiful color. Perfect. When you finish to do all your eyebrow, now you gotta fix with wax they have inside for fix everything. This is the third one. So you're just gonna fix your eyebrow like this, and voila, you have the natural look for the eyebrow. Bonjour everybody, hope you're great. So today is gonna be eyebrows. So this one is gonna be voluminous, volume. So today we're gonna use the Perfection Volumizing Eyebrow Fiber Gel. So they came in three shades, blonde, châtain et brun universel. So this one is for have a look voluminous. It's gonna be like this. It's tinted, it's fixed. And voila, you have a beautiful shape of eyebrow with just the gel Perfection. So this product is gonna help to give you more the volume, more the shape. If you already have the shape, that's gonna give you more the voluminous and the volume very like instantly, and you don't need to sharp. It's already there, it's gonna fix. Et voila, you can see beautiful eyebrow, natural and voluminous. Bonjour everybody, hope you're great. So today we're gonna talk about eyebrows. So this one is gonna be high definition with the double definition automatic brow liner. So you can see we have a beautiful model. So we're gonna do it the eyebrows. Perfect. So for her eyebrows, I'm gonna use it the double definition automatic brow liner, and this one is the shade Brun Universel. So first of all, we have to shape her eyebrows. She already had beautiful eyebrows, so we're just gonna shape it and have a high definition. So we're gonna start it right here. This is the beginning. This is the, we can say the pointy shape, and this one, it's how it's gonna end. Et voila. So I'm starting to the bottom like this. I do it a bridge, we can say. And then when your bridge it's done, now you can do it like false hair. It's gonna create natural one and it's gonna fall all here. And then let's go with the pointy, and then you can going down. Here we go. And then you finish for the end to do it a beautiful high definition eyebrow. And the other side they have a brush. You can blend if you like to not have like so heavy the product. You can just blend, then it's gonna have less product, and then you can continue to do the shape. Et voila, you see the eyes, it's more definition, the eyebrows, it's more definition too. I'm gonna do the other side. So we started to the bottom, we just do it like a bridge. Then you can do it the pointy, and then you can fold all inside. And then you can blend with the brush on the other side, like this. Perfect. They give you a beautiful, natural, high definition to the eyebrows. And voila,